Here's the presentation I created over Down syndrome to show you how I can screencast and how I can use a PowerPoint. So this is my PowerPoint. Okay, here is some pictures I have on here that I can talk about to you guys. So on the left, you will see a little girl with Down syndrome. This is a perfect way to start out my project because it kind of shows what people with Down syndrome look like. Everybody with Down syndrome does look different. They have some characteristics from their mom, some characteristics from their dad, just like you and me, yet they do have some characteristics that most people do not have, and they all have this because of the picture on the right, which shows that they have 3 of the 21st chromosomes. So as you can see, most chromosomes have 2, like 1 has 2, 2, 2, but 21 has 3. This is called trisomy 3, and this is the reason that Down syndrome happens. And so on the left, you can see the little girl, and that she has some slanted eyelids. That is a very common characteristic of Down syndrome. She also has a very bubbly personality, which is a very, very common characteristic of Down syndrome, but that cannot be mistaken with some of the myths, such as people believing that people with Down syndrome are always happy. That is not true. Instead, sometimes they just have a greater sense of joy than you and I would have.